How to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x803F8001. 1. Run automatic repair on advanced Windows safe mode. 2. Clear Windows Store cache via wsreset.exe. Application. 3. Update your Windows. 4. Run PowerShell execution policy unrestricted command and $manifest equals getops package Microsoft.Windows Store .install location plus \ops manifest.xml. Adops package disable development mode register $manifest command as administration 5. Turn on location service. 6. Disable or uncheck proxy server. 7. Verify your MS account. 8. Allow the apps to use your location. 9. Run SFC and DISM as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 10. Check your language and region settings. 11. Sign out and back in again from Windows Store. 12. Run the Windows Store troubleshooter. 13. Perform a repair install.